8 at 5 starts now.
And we begin tonight at 5 o'clock with I-Team 8. Prosecutors want the man accused of killing an Elwood police officer to get a lethal injection.
The family of Officer Noah Chenevez is talking about that decision and the changes that they hope come from Noah's death. I-Team 8's Richard Essex has our story.
This morning, Officer Chenevez's father, Matt, came to the podium with his son's sunglasses, a picture, and a heavy heart.
So if you saw Noah, you knew a pair of shades would be close by.
Matt Chenevez held his son's sunglasses for all to see. They are a constant reminder of who's missing from this picture.
Noah's my firstborn son. My family misses Noah more than words can express.
The man police say that shot and killed Officer Chenevez is Carl Boards. Madison County Prosecutor Rodney Cummings announced Wednesday he wants Boards to be executed.
The death sentence is the law in the state of Indiana. And if it's going to be pursued, this is the kind of case where it needs to be pursued.
Investigators say Boards fired 36 rounds from a high-powered rifle, with more than 30 hitting Officer Chenevez. And another factor is the suspect's past criminal history.
This person shouldn't have been out. We should have penalties that protect society from people like this, and we don't.
Cummings says a death penalty case from start to finish, including appeals, could take 15 to 20 years. The Chenevez family has told prosecutors they want to change how the death penalty cases are handled in Indiana.
They're hoping, and I'm hoping, these kind of attacks on police officers will lead to meaningful change in the legislature for more serious criminal penalties for violent criminal offenders.
Death penalty cases are expensive. Cummings told me this case could approach $400,000 to $500,000. And he says other elected officials in the county support his decision.
Our elected officials in this community, I think, would be more upset if we didn't pursue a case like this. Don't make the decision for that reason. We do it based upon the facts of the case, and the wishes of the family have some input. You know, I'm not willing to put them through a 20-year process if they're not really want to do it. Some people would say, I want closure, I want to move on. This family didn't.
The prosecutor says that he will not accept a plea deal, and he intends to take this case to a jury. In Madison County, Richard Essex, Wish TV, I-Team 8.
You heard the prosecutor talk about Indiana's death row process. There are currently 8 people, all men, on Indiana's death row. Their time on death row spans anywhere from 7 years to 28 years. The last execution in Indiana was in December of 2009, nearly 13 years ago. There are at least 4 death penalty trials pending in Indiana, including the man accused of murdering IMPD officer Breanne Leith in April of 2020. His trial is currently set to begin in September of 2023.